Centuries ago, a group of Shaolin monks were locked in a tiny prison cell. No equipment, no space, no weights. And yet, when they finally broke free, they were stronger than when they went in. How? They used something most people completely overlook. Something that costs nothing, needs no gym, and might actually be more effective than lifting weights, especially after 50. They used isometric holds, and today, I'm giving you 6 of the most powerful ones to rebuild your strength from the inside out. Quick explanation before we dive in. An isometric exercise is when your muscle is working hard, but your body isn't moving. You're creating intense tension and holding it. No reps, no momentum, just pure controlled strength. Here's why this is perfect after 50. Traditional weightlifting puts repetitive stress on your joints. Our isometrics build strength without that friction. You're training your muscles, your tendons, your nervous system, without grinding down your knees, shoulders, or hips. This is how the Shaolin train, and it works. Number 1, the horse stance. This is the foundation of Shaolin training, the king of all isometric holds. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width. Turn your toes slightly out. Now bend your knees and sink down, like you're sitting on an invisible chair, until your thighs are as close to parallel to the floor as comfortable. Arms out in front or hands on hips. Back straight. Now hold. This hold absolutely destroys your quads, glutes, and inner thighs all at once. It also builds deep hip stability that protects your knees and lower back for years to come. Start with 20 seconds. Build toward 2 minutes over time. By the time you hit 60 seconds consistently, your legs will feel like they belong to a completely different person. Number 2, the wall. Sit, similar to the horse stance, but with back support, making it perfect if you're just starting out or recovering from knee issues. Back flat against the wall, feet walked out, thighs parallel to the floor. Press your entire back into the wall. Drive your heels into the ground. You'll feel your quads burning almost immediately. That burn, that's your muscles being forced to fire at full capacity with zero joint impact. Wall sits rebuild quad strength, improve knee stability, and train the kind of endurance that makes climbing stairs, hiking, and getting up off the floor feel effortless again. Hold for 30 seconds to start. Work up to 60. And number 3, the isometric push-up. Hold, get into a push-up position, or on your knees if needed. Lower yourself halfway down and stop. Hold that position. This is where most people collapse, and that's exactly why it works. This hold fires up your chest, shoulders, triceps, and your entire core simultaneously. It builds the shoulder stability that prevents rotator cuff injuries. One of the most common and debilitating problems people face after 50. No jerking, no momentum, just your muscles holding the line. Start at 15 to 20 seconds, build to 45. Number 4, the stomach vacuum. This one looks like nothing. It is everything. Stand tall, exhale all the air out of your lungs, and pull your belly button in toward your spine as hard as you can. Hold it there while breathing shallowly through your nose. The stomach vacuum activates your transverse abdominis, the deepest layer of your core. Most AB exercises completely miss this muscle, but it's the one that wraps around your spine like a natural weight belt. A strong transverse abdominis means less lower back pain, better posture, and a more stable spine during every movement you make. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Do it 3 to 5 times. You can even do this sitting at your desk. Number 5, the isometric hand press. Place your palms together in front of your chest, like a prayer position. Now press both hands against each other as hard as you can. Hold. Simple, brutal, effective. This activates your chest, shoulders, and arms all at once through pure self-generated tension. No equipment, no machines, just force against force. The Shaolin monks use variations of this to build grip strength. Upper body density and shoulder control. For anyone dealing with shoulder pain or weakness, this is one of the safest ways to rebuild pressing strength from scratch. 30 seconds of maximum tension is harder than it sounds. Try it. Number 6, the Superman plank. Lie face down on the floor, arms stretched straight out in front of you. Now tighten your entire body, glutes, core, back, legs, arms, and lift everything off the floor simultaneously. Hold. This is a full body isometric chain. It activates your posterior chain, everything from your upper back down to your hamstrings, in one single hold. The muscles that hold your posture upright, the muscles that keep you from hunching, the muscles that decline fastest with age if you don't train them. Most people can barely hold this for 20 seconds the first time. That's your starting point. At Chase, 45 to 60 seconds. These 6 holds were forged by people who had nothing. No gym, no equipment, no excuses, and they built strength that lasted. After 50, you don't need to lift heavier. You need to train smarter. Isometrics let you build real, functional strength while protecting the joints you need for the next 30 years. Pick 2 or 3 of these to start. Hold, breathe, stay still, and get stronger. If this video gave you something useful, do me a favor, like it, drop a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. It costs you nothing, but it genuinely helps this reach someone out there who really needs it. I'll see you in the next one.